Hello, astronomy enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of stargazing with the Celestron PowerSeeker 127EQ telescope, a perfect entry-level telescope designed for beginners eager to explore the night sky. This powerful 127mm Newtonian reflector is equipped with a manual German Equatorial mount, featuring a slow-motion altitude rod that allows you to effortlessly track celestial objects as they drift across the sky. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for both adults and kids, whether you're heading to a favorite campsite or simply observing from your backyard. The PowerSeeker 127EQ comes with two quality eyepieces, a 20mm and a 4mm, along with a 3x Barlow lens to triple the power of each, ensuring you have everything you need for an incredible viewing experience. Plus, you'll receive a free download of a top-rated astronomy software program to enhance your stargazing adventures. With Celestron's unbeatable 2-year US warranty and unlimited support from their team of US-based experts, you can buy with confidence from a leading telescope brand that's been inspiring starry-eyed explorers since 1960. So, gear up and get ready to embark on a cosmic journey with the Celestron PowerSeeker 127EQ telescope. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.